Hello, everyone. Hello, mentor. Hello, the fellow classmate. Um, this is the milestone one presentation for our team, and we're doing the contact track. So our topic is improve student motivation and academic performance in computer programming and numeric methods. So um, we our team decided to we design teaching contents to the students so that the student learning experience can be more interactive. Um, and so, as we mentioned in the proposal, um, we designed a course which is called computer programming and numeric methods. Uh, this course is going to be offered in an online platform which we all very familiar with, which is called Canvas. Um, so the entire course is actually composed with three major categories, including videos, quizzes, and educational games. Um, and other than that, we also provide midterm exams, uh, and also the syllabus to the students. So let's just quickly go over what we have done over the past 2 weeks. So syllabus, which is very straightforward, which is a brief course overview of what the course is about, what's the objective, the structure. More importantly, is the schedule so student can follow what the deliverable for every single week, and then what's the distribution of the grade and so on. Secondly, which is one of the most important elements in our teaching content is the lecture videos. So as we want students to learn in a more interactive way so they don't get bored, we record their lecture videos so that students can understand the materials and they can be able to access it in at home or in different locations. So and then the tutorials also explain some really important hints. So let's just walk through that. So we have so far complete the first 5 chapters. So this 6 is empty at the point, but we're gonna finish it later. But as for display's purpose, we put the total 11 chapters. So let's just go over one of them. Lecture 3.
Hello guys, welcome again. In this lecture, we will introduce by the today's and commonly used.
So as you guys can hear, so basically we have our corresponding lecture notes for this chapter, and then one of our member actually responsible to record the lecture videos so that student can understand the materials in a more easier way. Other than that, and we have total 11 chapters, so they all cover different sessions, to cover different part of the C programming. And other than that, we also have quizzes. As you can see, we have 11 different sessions, and let's just go for one of them. Quiz 3, and then we're just gonna we have some problem set. We have different answers available for the student to choose, and once the student they finish the quizzes, they will have a corresponding solution, so they can go back and take a look and make improvement. Similarly, we also have the midterm exams. So these are just all the problem sets for the exams, and likewise, we also have the solution for the exams. So we were thinking about to add the explanation um, of the of the exam and as well as the quizzes. So student they don't have to look up online, after they get the problem wrong. So finally, I want to show you guys about the lecture notes, which is nothing but the actual teaching content. It was in PowerPoint, and basically it's just a summary of what the important teaching materials and the key concept would be outlined in the video, as well as we have those tips that was offered to the students, so they can memorize this critical thing and they won't ever make like easy mistake in the quizzes and the midterm. So that's the end of the first part of the presentation, and one of my other team members, she will go for the educational gaming part, which is essentially like the critical session that our project is covered.
To motivate students in studying, we also made this game called Numeric Island. That is also where our team name is from. This game was created with RPG Maker. It is a role-playing game. We are going to put some course-related content and quizzes in this game. We already made the first part of this game, so we can have a look. Let's have a look. This game can be installed on a Windows computer or an Android cell phone. It begins with a background story. It tells us that it is based on a warrior rescue princess story. So they went to traveling together. Then some bad things happened. Yeah, we can see that the princess is trapped here. And the captain tells us what we can do to rescue the princess. Yeah, we can take the courses in the castle at the library. Then we can go to take quizzes. Okay. We can use the arrow keys to move the character. Yeah, if we go to this cancel, we can see that there are 6 chapters of this course here. For example, if we go to chapter 1, then we can talk to people here. It will give us some very useful tips of this course. We can also watch the course video here. I'll just choose no because I want to show you more about this game. So after we watch the course video and read the course tips, we can get on the boat here, go to the other island. So this is where we take the quizzes. After we take the quizzes, we can get the energy stone. That is what we use to rescue the princess. This game can motivate students' interest in learning the programming and the computer programming and numeric method course.